In the fall, it's important to remove leaves throughout the season to help prevent lawn damage and disease. But what's the best tool to clean up leaves? Here are 5 ways you can keep up with leaf cleanup this season. Handheld rakes can work well if you have a small area to cover. There are lots of types of leaf blowers you can use for your yard. Handheld leaf blowers are best for small to medium-sized yards. They're useful for clearing leaves from tight areas. If you have a large yard, you may need a wheeled leaf blower with greater power. A wheeled leaf blower is also great for heavy-duty cleanup jobs. Mowing over leaves may seem messy, but it's actually great for your lawn. As you mulch your lawn, the leaves are finely chopped up and act as a natural fertilizer and mulch for the winter months. A chipper shredder vacuum can vacuum and shred leaves and small debris into its bag. You can use it just like a walk-behind mower. If you have landscaping and hard-to-reach areas, you can use the hose and attachment to maneuver around them. An added bonus is that you can use the dedicated chipping chute to break down small branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter.